During my doctoral residency in Oxford, I made it my personal goal to spend as much time as possible studying the oldest and most valuable fragments and manuscripts of the Bible. I went to the University of Manchester and studied the famous St. John's fragment at the John Rylands Library. It's known as P52, that is Papyrus 52, and it has the distinction of being the oldest fragment of the New Testament, and it dates to 125 AD. Think about that. The original, the autograph of the Gospel of John was written just 25 to 30 years before this copy that I was holding in my hand right there at the University of Manchester. It's that famous scene where Pilate is interrogating Jesus and the subject of truth comes up. Jesus says, "Everyone who is of the truth hears my voice." Of course, Pilate responds, "What is truth?" That's our oldest New Testament fragment. It's only 2.5 by 3.5 inches, but it contains 7 lines on both sides from John chapter 18.